So let me tell you about Pasita, one of my mentees. Let's just call her Pasita. She came to me one day to ask me to help her do marketing. By doing marketing, what she meant was to help her come up with promos and ads. But to me, however, promos and ads are not the first step in marketing. What is important is market research. So I asked Pasita, who are your customers? And she told me, Mommy, and that's the problem. There are no customers because she thought that by having ads and promos, she can attract customers to finally come in. You know, to attract customers, I told Pasita, we need to know who we want to attract. So what she thought was that she bakes good premium Italian pizza that her office mates love. So she assumed that if she converts the living room of their big house into a pizza parlor, her business would surely succeed because she could make really, really good Italian pizza. But when she described to me that her house is just across the public market and that there is no parking around, I told her that there was no way that an Italian pizza parlor could succeed in that place. She should have conducted market research first. But since she did not do it, she lost millions from the renovation of the place without getting people to buy from her. Sad, right?